Hollywood! Here we come! Cactus.
One more. Ito naman, baliktad naman.
Sus, saan na mahulog ka dyan? Kalula. Lake Hollywood. Kalula dyan. Andun na si Kwan. Okay.
Wala.
Ang Kwan oh, lalim oh. Pag ito nahulog ka, sigurado ang balik mo sa isang buwan na. This is what they call Hollywood. Lugbat na naman. Bundas talaga. Universal Studios na naman tayo. Baka may rattlesnake daw. Iwas, iwas. Let's go. Caution. Dangerous animals. Mountain lions and rattlesnakes. Can we write our names here? That we actually been here. Hollywood. See? I will write mine. What kind of plant is this?
I don't know.
Miranda. You cannot see my name. It was here. 28 July. Today is July 28. Yesterday was my birthday.
Today's your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you. Belated.
How come you didn't tell me? I buy pop pack.
Ah. Okay. Go, go.